Welcome to the cheapest square meter in Ispartakule. We are in Bano Evleri project, and this project has lots of features and lots of things that we are going to speak about. But let's start with the flat. The flat is 3+1, 169 square meters. Let's have a look at it. The project is in Ispartakule in a very strategic area. The project is here. It's only about 10 minutes away from Mall of Istanbul and 10 minutes away from Akbati and only 1.5 kilometers away from the new Istanbul Canal project. Bano project is on a land area of 4,700 square meters. It's only one block. It has 70 apartments in different styles, 2+1, 3+1 and 4+1 duplexes. The only available apartments are 22 apartments. Now, this is the chance that need to be taken to buy here. There is no tax and it's one of the cheapest projects ever. I've told you about this project a lot. What left is your visit. The delivery date of this project will be in the middle of 2024. To have a tour to it, contact Imtilak Real Estate. Have a good day.